Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Unity's universal render pipeline versus its standard render pipeline. We'll explore their fundamental differences, helping you decide which is the optimal choice for your game or application. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for achieving your desired visual quality and performance targets across various platforms, from mobile devices to high-end consoles and PCs. Let's dive into the specifics of each pipeline. The Universal Render Pipeline is Unity's solution for fast, scalable, and customizable rendering. It's built for performance, especially on less powerful hardware, making it perfect for mobile games or applications needing broad device compatibility. URP allows for extensive customization through render features, enabling you to tailor the rendering process precisely. You can expect smoother frame rates and more efficient resource usage, which is a huge advantage for many projects. Conversely, the standard render pipeline, or built-in render pipeline, is Unity's traditional rendering solution, known for its ability to produce incredibly detailed and visually rich scenes. It's the go-to choice for projects where graphical fidelity is the absolute priority, such as AAA games on powerful desktop computers and modern consoles. While it offers unparalleled visual depth, it typically demands more processing power and provides fewer direct customization points for the rendering loop compared to URP. So how do you choose? If you're building for mobile, virtual reality, or need to ensure your game runs smoothly across many devices, URP is likely your best bet due to its performance and flexibility. However, if you're aiming for the absolute pinnacle of visual quality on high-end PCs and consoles, and performance isn't as critical, the standard render pipeline will deliver those stunning graphics. Your project's unique needs should always guide your decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.